What's up everyone, my name is Des and today I have a bathroom cleaning routine for you. I do a little deep cleaning as well, so yeah, check out my bathroom cleaning routine. So first I just want to put everything away, make sure it's all in its right spot, clear the counter, and so that I can start with the cleaning. So these are my cleaning supplies for the day. I have my antibacterial wipes, some granite cleaner, which is Method, and then the toilet bowl cleaner and the sink cleaner are both from Brandless. They were $3 each, which I love, super cheap, and they work well. So that's what I'm using for the day. The toilet bowl cleaner that I'm using today is from Brandless, and it's a little thinner than I'd like, but it does the job really well, so that's what I'm using. If you haven't checked them out, everything's $3, so it's pretty awesome. So part of my deep cleaning is I'm going to be using the disinfectant wipes after I clean the toilet. I'm just going to wipe it all down, all the way down the sides to the floor pretty much. Just my daughter uses it now, so it's like I want to make sure it's as clean as possible, so I like to use those wipes. So here I'm just going to wipe everything down with the disinfectant wipes. The faucets, the countertop, everything down, just to make sure everything's nice and clean and disinfected. And then for the granite, I will go ahead and use the Method Granite Cleaner in the spray bottle and just spray it down and wipe it off. And for the mirror, I'm also using the disinfectant wipes because I don't have any Windex, and then I'm just wiping it off with a towel. And then of course, sweep and mop. I'll be wiping down the baseboards with the disinfectant wipes. They were pretty dirty, so I just wanted to make sure they're nice and clean. I'm also going to wipe down the door frame, the door, doorknob, and the light switches with the disinfectant wipes because my kids keep getting sick, and it's just like right after another. Once they get better, they get sick again. And I saw on Michelle from House Gonzalez, she posted a video, top 10 things to clean post flu with kids, and the bathroom is one of the things I never even thought about. So I went ahead, and that's why I'm doing a deeper clean today. So hopefully they stop getting sick. I also like to switch out the bath mat weekly, and then I also wipe down the scale with the disinfectant wipes because my kids like to mess with that thing, and the hand towel that was switched out as well. Thank you so much for watching. Be on the lookout for my bathtub cleaning video coming out soon, along with my bathroom organization video. I'll catch you next time. Bye!